Hello, we're here today at SLE Equipment to look at this custom 8.5 by 22 concession trailer. Starting off at the front, we can see we have two cages for two 100-pound cylinders for propane. There's a generator platform built on the front. Got a coupler, tongue jack, safety pin, .50 amp plug for power. We'll have a 36-inch access door into the front. This will give us access to our power panel, battery charger, 12-volt battery for the lights, water heater, our plumbing, freshwater storage tank, water pump. Now this trailer is black trim. Door here on the side is the city water fill door. This door is going to have connection for a 3/4 inch hose for water to go in. And you're also going to have a fill port for the wastewater. Come down here. You'll have an RV style drain on it, so you'll have a pull handle for a release valve. And then you'll have a 3/4 inch down here and a 3 inch for the dirty water. Look in the wheels and tires. We got two 6-lug. Now these 6 lugs are going to indicate it's 250-200-pound axles. Center caps are going to be rubber. Those can be removed. That way you can grease the axles. You'll want to do that a few times a year to make sure that they stay lubricated. On this trailer, it does have screens on it, so as we walk around you should be able to see the reflections. Got the DOT safety tape. Now the rear door on that, it's going to be a barn style door, so both those doors can open up. It's got a bar lock that goes across. Take a look at the front here. We got our concession window, a light on both the left and right hand sides. We have the flip-up counter, skinned in black. The rounded counter. Two releases up underneath here. Once each just pressed, it'll go in the down position. The screens are up. And of course we've got our glass panes here at the bottom. Circling back around, we'll see our smoker is installed, exhausted through the roof. The rear bar lock. We'll have a license plate bracket and light. Look in the porch door. It's been screened in. It's also got its safety chain. We'll have our RV style flush lock. So you'll have a lock that's going to be for the deadbolt, lock for the handle. So you can lock it from the inside. That's what you see here. That's the deadbolt. Coming into the trailer, there is a recessed step to make it easier to get in and out of the trailer. Take a look at the smoker. It's a 250-gallon reverse flow smoker. Bottom we'll have our fire box, warm box up top, 2 doors, a serving tray, and then when the handles have been released on the sides, you lift it up. Each side has 2 trays. On the porch, we also have an exterior plug, D-rings in the floor for tie down points. On the left side of the door, we also have a plug on this side as well. The back door has a bar lock and an RV style push lock as well. We've got our hood up top, AC and heat unit, our overhead lights, 3-bay sink with drain boards. It's also a hand washing sink. The filters for the hood have been removed so they can be placed in storage while it's traveling to make sure that they don't bang around and get damaged. We'll open up the doors to the plumbing underneath the sinks. You'll have some storage underneath there for sponges and some chemicals like bleach, stuff like that you might need. The push buttons are easy to operate. Push it and it'll release. Press back in, it'll go in. There's going to be a switch on the cabinet base. It's going to be for the water pump. Now the trailer's had a table installed at the concession window. Also has an undershelf on it. Going back to the entryway, there's a Arctic Air commercial refrigerator, single door. Now the flooring on this trailer is going to be rubber coined on the interior. On the exterior porch, it's going to be a black ATP, kind of like what we see on the fender well here. Our interior and exterior light switches are located in the wall when you first walk in. And smoker gauges for the smoker are provided upon checkout. Canister you see up top is for the commercial hood system. If you have any additional questions on this trailer, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720 and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you. Have a nice day.